Is Pocketguard free or paid? That's a question many of you have probably typed into your search bar, right alongside how to stop impulse spending or why is my bank account always empty. In an age where managing our finances feels more crucial than ever, and with so many apps vying for our attention, understanding the cost, or lack thereof, of a financial tool like Pocketguard is key. We're all looking for that magic bullet to budget better, track our spending, and ultimately, save more. But does that magic bullet come with a subscription fee? Let's dive in. Pocketguard is a popular budgeting app designed to give you a clear, consolidated view of your financial life. It links to your bank accounts, credit cards, and investments, categorizes your transactions, and helps you see where your money is going. The core idea is to simplify your financial picture and highlight what's safe to spend, a particularly appealing feature for those of us who tend to overspend. Now, to answer the burning question, is Pocketguard free or paid? The answer is both. Pocketguard operates on a freemium model. This means there's a free version that offers a solid suite of features, and a paid premium version called Pocketguard Plus, which unlocks additional functionalities. The free version of Pocketguard is quite robust and suitable for many users. With the free version, you can link an unlimited number of financial accounts, track your income and expenses, categorize transactions automatically, and see your net worth. It also provides that handy in my pocket feature, which calculates how much money you have available to spend after accounting for upcoming bills and savings goals. For basic budgeting, expense tracking, and getting a clear overview of your finances, the free version often suffices. You can set spending limits, monitor recurring bills, and get alerts for unusual activity. It's a great starting point for anyone looking to get a grip on their money without committing to a monthly fee. However, if you're looking for more advanced features and deeper insights, that's where Pocketguard Plus comes in. The premium subscription offers several benefits that enhance the budgeting experience. For example, with Pocketguard Plus, you get access to debt payoff strategies, which can be incredibly useful if you're looking to tackle credit card debt or loans more aggressively. You also get personalized financial reports, allowing for a more in-depth analysis of your spending habits over time. Furthermore, Pocketguard Plus offers the ability to create custom categories, which is a big deal for those who need more granular control over their budgeting. Other premium features include the ability to export transaction data, access to dedicated customer support, and the option to track cash transactions. These added functionalities transform Pocketguard from a good budgeting tool into a comprehensive financial management platform. So, the choice between the free and paid version really depends on your individual needs and financial goals. If you're just starting your budgeting journey or simply need a clear overview of your daily spending, the free version of Pocketguard is an excellent tool. It provides enough features to help you stay on track and avoid overspending. But if you're serious about optimizing your finances, accelerating debt repayment, or require more detailed insights and customization, then the investment in Pocketguard Plus might be worthwhile. It's about deciding whether the enhanced features offer enough value to justify the subscription cost for your specific financial situation. Ultimately, Pocketguard offers flexibility, allowing users to choose the level of financial management that best suits them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.